Is the Edelweiss Life Wealth Plus plan a true wealth building ULIP or just a long term commitment wrapped in market linked promises? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a unit-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance product. So, some of the key features of the policy are: life cover provides you with financial protection for your family in the event of your unfortunate demise. The rising star benefit supports your children's future financial needs, ensuring continuity even in your absence. The extra allocation is added to your policy during the first 5 years, enhancing the value of your premiums, and premium booster is added from the 6th policy year onwards at the end of each policy year, further increasing your fund value. So there are two investment strategies which are available to address different investment preferences and risk profiles, and liquidity option also allows partial withdrawals from the 6th policy year, offering flexibility during emergencies. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like maturity benefit and death benefit, and also additional death benefit under rising star benefit. So additional allocations and extra allocation and premium boosters. So these are all the benefits available under the policy. There are also investment strategies and fund options available which you can choose based on your risk appetite and goals. So as a ULIP policy, there are also charges like fund management charges, surrender or discontinuance charges, and mortality charges. So all these charges act as additional costs for investors, and some charges continue throughout the policy term. They gradually erode returns over time, reducing overall profitability. So some of the advantages of investing in this policy are: settlement option allows you to receive the maturity benefit in installments rather than a lump sum. Flexible premium paying term enables you to increase or decrease the premium payment duration as per your financial situation. The unlimited premium redirection and free fund switches gives you complete flexibility to manage your investments across available funds. So unlimited opt-in and opt-out between investment strategies allows you to shift strategies based on your evolving goals and risk appetite. So partial withdrawals are permitted anytime after the completion of the 5th policy year, helping you access funds to meet liquidity needs. So top-up premium facility enables you to invest surplus money over and above your regular premium to enhance your fund value. See, these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well, like no policy loan facilities are available under this plan. So no liquidity in the initial years as access to funds is restricted during the yearly policy period. Sum assured may be inadequate to provide meaningful financial protection for most families, and returns may be lower compared to alternative investment options that offer better risk adjusted performance. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. And if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So for example purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male purchases the policy with a sum assured of 10 lakh, a policy term of 20 years, and a premium payment term of 20 years. So he pays an annual premium of 1 lakh rupees. By paying the premiums consistently, he becomes eligible to receive the fund value at the end of the policy term. However, the projected return scenarios of 4% per annum and 8% per annum in the illustration are not guaranteed. So they do not represent the upper or lower bounds of return. So actual performance will vary based on market movements and the underlying fund management. So at an assumed 4% return scenario, the fund value is 27.31 lakh with an IRR of 2.88% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At an 8% return scenario, the fund value is 42.65 lakh with an IRR of 6.76% as per the policy Edelweiss maturity calculator. So even in the higher return scenario of 8%, the IRR is comparable to, or in some cases lower than, the returns offered by several traditional debt instruments. Since this is a market linked product, one would expect it to deliver inflation beating returns. However, the plan's performance falls short when compared with other market linked investment avenues. Additionally, the sum assured provided is inadequate, so the plan also suffers from limited transparency regarding investments, high charge structures, and low life coverage. So, taken together, these factors makes the Edelweiss policy a less compelling choice for long-term financial planning. So now we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need. Let us move on to a comparative analysis in which, instead of taking up and combining insurance and investment into a single policy like the Edelweiss does, we are going to take an alternative approach where we are going to invest in insurance and investment separately using the same parameters as the earlier example for a fair comparison. So let us assess an alternative approach here. For life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy offering a sum assured of 10 lakh, which costs us an annual premium of 4,100 rupees for a 20-year policy term. So by choosing term insurance instead of investing 1 lakh annually in the ULIP, an individual saves 95,900 rupees each year. This amount can be invested based on risk appetite. High risk investors may allocate the surplus to equity oriented products, whereas risk averse individuals may consider debt instruments. Both scenarios are presented on the screen in front of you. So in the pure term plus PPF combination, the maturity value is 42.56 lakh, delivering an IRR of 6.75%. The outcome is almost identical to the 8% return scenario of the Wealth Plus plan. Despite being a debt instrument, PPF matches the performance of a market-linked ULIP. So here, in the pure term plus equity mutual fund scenario, the pre-tax maturity value is 77.39 lakh. After capital gains tax, the post-tax value stands at 70.27 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 10.89%. This clearly demonstrates that investing separately in equity markets generates significantly higher returns and consistently outpaces inflation. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated equity mutual fund tax, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. By decoupling insurance and investment, the strategy offers stronger risk-adjusted returns, greater transparency, enhanced flexibility, advantages that the Edelweiss policy does not provide. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Life Wealth Plus plan worth it or not? So this policy combines market-linked investments with life coverage, offering maturity benefits through fund value and additional allocations. The rising star benefit, if chosen, ensures policy continuity in the event of an unfortunate incident. However, the return analysis highlights a disproportionate relationship between risk and reward. In addition, the plan's sum assured is inadequate, reducing its effectiveness as a financial protection tool. So long-term investment products are expected to generate substantial inflation-beating returns to support wealth creation. Despite its long-term structure, the Edelweiss policy struggles to deliver competitive returns due to high charges, which erode growth over time. This may leave investors financially underprepared when their goals approach, and it also has a high agent commission. For a sustainable long-term wealth creation, ULIPs are generally not advisable. More efficient equity-based investment options are available that offer higher inflation-adjusted returns at significantly lower costs. For life protection, it is best to keep insurance and investments separate, with a pure term insurance policy serving as the most effective and most cost-efficient way to safeguard your family's financial security.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.